What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make $300 per day. This is the easiest way guys ever, and I will be sharing with you one simple tactic with which you can easily sell a lot more courses than just, and you will be making more money than just $300 per day. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now we are simply going to dive into the video, and basically the website I want to share with you is the udemy.com. You might have probably heard of this website, and this is one of the most popular website on the internet. Plus, a lot of guys are not succeeded, may not get success on this website, but after this video probably you will get success on this website as well. Basically, as you can see, every course over here is available for about $15. Okay, and some of the courses are even available for $10, because we just need to create the course and the Udemy will do all of the rest of the work for us. And as you can see, it's really not a big deal guys to create a course on this website, because as you can see, it's this course, just 1 hour course, and these are charging $15 and 62 ratings. So if the 62 ratings are available, only guys, literally hardly 10% of the guys are going to rate any course. Okay, 10% is way much higher. So even if they are going to multiply it by 10, this course has made over 600 sales. Look at this, there is 0 rating. This one maybe also has gotten a lot of the traffic. This one course has also been sold for at least hundreds of courses has already been sold, because you can see that it is a very competitive search keyword, how to make money on YouTube, and it is ranking on the second page over here. Okay, so as we are going to come down over here, most of the courses are over here, not really big. Look at this, 1.5 hour course, 20 rating, at least 200 are already being sold, 300 stuff like that. You can easily sell the courses over here. If your course is pretty good, then you will be started really making a lot more money. So now how we are going to start doing this? As you can see, there are some of the guys who have made over thousands of dollars, because they have already taught about thousands of students. Okay, just because once they have created a course, the Udemy will even email them when you are going to create a new course. So the traffic will be coming. Look at this, it's even written over there, 327 students enrolled, and the Udemy is going to take you about 50% if the traffic is coming from the Udemy. Okay, and even your course will also rank on Google, because Udemy is a high authority website. Okay, so it's about 327 people, students have already been enrolled. So that means this course has already made about as we can say, it's going to be about $5,000, at least $5,000, and out of that $2,500 have already been earned by this guy, even if we are taking that all of the traffic is taken is sent by the Udemy. Okay, so now how we can start doing this stuff for ourselves. So basically, first of all, we need to create a course, and how you can create a course, we need to create a course which is having demand over here. So as you can see over here, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube without filming, without making videos, free on YouTube secrets. So you need to create things like this. You need to create a course which are coming in the search bar, because these are the keywords that people are searching over here. And after that, the second step, this is the first step, to just find a keyword, an overview of the keyword, not just the real keyword for which we want to rank our course. And now as we can see that how to make money on YouTube. So this is a pretty good competitive keyword, but I will also share with you how you can rank for pretty competitive keyword for free as well. So as you can see over here, in every title there is written over here, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube. This one is not included, how to make money on YouTube. And coming down over here, how to make money on YouTube. Yeah, it really does not seem that this course is pretty much competitive, because as I search for how to make money on YouTube, and there are very few courses have the how to make money on YouTube in the search result. And after I will be sharing with you the tactic on how you can come on the first page very quickly. Okay, because there, as you can see, only first two or three courses are only having this word in the title. And the second thing that really matters, you need to find out the keyword which is having the courses which do not have that keyword in the search in their title. Okay, so as you can see over here, this one is having how to make money on YouTube in the title. This one is having, but this one is not having. So we can really go for this keyword. Okay, just look for the page and thereafter look at this. A lot of the courses are not having this in their title. And the second thing that matters over here is, when we are going to come down over here, it's the subtitle. Okay, as you can see over here, this one also really matters a lot, guys, really. But this one, very few courses are having the keyword in this in the subtitle. And if you can repeat the keyword in the title, subtitle, and thereafter 3 to 4 times or maybe 5 times in the description as well, probably you will be start ranking for the course, because these courses do not have that. Okay, so now, and the second thing we need is the rating, because on the basis of the rating, Udemy will also rank us on the top. Okay, so that is the another thing I will share with you, how you can get the ranking as well. So this is the tactic. After you have selected any course, just use those keywords, because if you are going to use them properly, your course will also start ranking on the Google as well, and that will be the search result, search traffic. So you are going to start getting results. You just need to put in the course over here one time. First of all, just create a very good course. If you do not know anything, just take a course if you want, or you can also take the knowledge from the YouTube, just explore a lot of videos and thereafter simply create a new course. That is the only thing, because okay, that is the only thing you can do. Now after you have created the course, simply use the title and the meta tags and all of these things, and in the description about your keyword. And thereafter, when you have done with the course, simply the Udemy is going to create the you cannot do your own pricing on the Udemy. This is why I do not like Udemy a lot, but if you are a beginner, probably you can really start making money with this website. Okay, so now Udemy is going to try their own price. Even if you look at this, all of these are available over here for $100, $20 and stuff like that, but they are providing all of the course for $15. Okay, that is what they are providing. So it really does not matter, because we are not going to do anything else other than putting our course over here. So now after you have put your course over here, simply what you can do, simply just when you will be just uploading your creating your course, you have the option. What kind of option do you have? You have the option to create the course coupons, and you can also make them limited, like for 10 people, for 50 people. And then what you can do, simply just head over to the Facebook and then search over there like Udemy free courses, and then just click on the groups, and you will start seeing there are tons of groups. And just provide the free course, just post the free course post in the group, and then you will start getting a lot of people will start enrolling in your course. The more and more they are going to enroll in your course, the more and more their search ranking will improve, the more and more the rating you will get. Okay, so in this way you need to give the course for free. Just head over to the Facebook groups and post your free Udemy course, and also head over to the forums, and in their free giveaway section post your Udemy. And if you have a YouTube audience, just tell them that this is a course for free. Just do these things, and only with the Facebook group you will start getting a lot of enrollments. And after you will start getting enrollments, you can then really start your course will start ranking up over here. Okay, and then with the time you will be start getting, at least, even if you are going to, let's say now it's time to do some math. Okay, let's say let's just head over to the tutorial points. Okay, it's going to take a little longer, just leave that. Okay, basically let's say if you are going to just create you are only going to create a course of 2 hours. Okay, I do not recommend a course less than 2 hours, because the people do not have the feeling that they have taken a course, stuff like that. So that is why I recommend you have a course at least of 2 hours. This will improve your ranking. This will help you to get over rank, because a lot of the courses are only of the 1 hours. Okay, only of the 1 hour. Look at this: 2 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 3.5 hour. 2 hour is pretty good. If you can do something like 3 hours, that can also be good, but I'm only taking 2 hours. And if you are going to do work for 1 hour every single day, you can publish 15 courses in just 1 month. And let's say if each one is going to get just 2 sales in a month, 2 sales is the pretty low, guys, is the pretty low. Okay, so with those 15 courses you are going to start getting the 30 sales in a month, and if each one is selling for the 15 bucks and you are going to make just $7.50, you have already made it's kind of going to be like 7 threes are 21, it's it will be near about 250 bucks. But the catch is this, this is the pretty low, but these are the results when you are not going to give the coupons in the on the Facebook. But if you are going to give the coupons on the Facebook, each one can easily get 5 to 10 sales, each one can. And let's say each one is only going to get 5 sales, so with those 15 courses you are going to get 75 sales. And with each one, if you are going to make like kind of say, we can say each one is going to make 75, total sales will be 75, and you are going to make at least 500-700 bucks. But the catch is this, you will be keep on making this money again and again. You have to put in the work for the early days, but after that the money will be just keep on coming. In the second month again you are going to create 15 new courses, and then probably, and guys, out of 15, only one course, you just need one course to get you 200 sales, and it will be ranking on the top, and a lot of the revenue of your whole Udemy is going to start coming from there. You will be amazed by those results, because really it really matters. Because if one single course can give you 200 sales every single month, that is going to make you money, that is going to make you extra 1500-2000 bucks by just doing nothing. When you will be creating 15 course, probably at least one is going to give you 100 sales, and that is one thing can separate you. Okay, so I really hope that this video has helped you. If you think that there is something else you need to know, then let me know in the comment box. I will surely reply. And if you want to make $100 per day with zero money, if you have zero money, check out the first link in the description, because there is an amazing training that can help you to make your first $100. It's the step-by-step training that has it really, guys, with which I have made my first $100. So that can really help you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Okay, so